morning, ladies and gentlemen. About to welcome again room 15, where
Learning never ends.
learning never ends, even though it goes on pause and you have an extra long weekend. Hope you enjoyed the weekend and everything. Got some good things done. Stayed safe and everything. We got more people back. That's good. Where did we leave off here on this? Did we finish number 8 or did we start at number 8? What happened?
We finished number 8.
Oh, we finished number 8?
Yeah.
We did? Okay, good. We'll show you, before we go back, I want to go ahead and quickly review number 8 for a couple of us who weren't here. I don't know how they did on video, so I'm going to review quickly number 8. But before I do that, I'm going to backtrack and talk about something called the learning pyramid. And this came up during first period last Thursday. And have I showed you the learning pyramid yet?
No.
Oh, Dustin remembers, okay. Basically, the learning pyramid goes a long ways toward explaining why I try to do things in the classroom the way we do them. And basically, we allow a lot of time for discussion and practice teaching others. Because what happens is, if I'm talking the whole time, you will hear what I say for a brief period of time, but gradually you're gonna tune me out. And when you tune me out, it's not because you're rude. It's just because the way your mind is designed to recognize patterns and to try to recognize what's important. And you do that almost instinctively. And so what happens is, what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to not do as much of these things up here and do more of these things down here. And when you guys are helping each other working through problems, like problem 8 last Thursday, problem 9 and 10, helping each other, talking to each other, teaching others how to do it, then we're in this territory where you're going to be learning more from that. And so that explains why we try in this classroom to do things the way we do. Does that make some sense? Yeah, okay. And so we're going to go to, I'm going to quickly review number 8. A couple of you were not here. And so what we're trying to do is solve these. We're trying to get this in slope-intercept form. So if we have, in this case, like 9x plus 3y is equal to and less than 10. If we subtract 9x, we're going to get 3y is equal to and less than negative 9x plus 10. And then if you divide by 3, you're going to get y is equal to and less than negative 3x plus 10 thirds. And then you go to your y-intercept, it's going to be 10 thirds, which is going to be, that's going to be like 3.33 something. Does that sound right? So that's going to be about right here. And your slope is negative 3, so it's going to be down 3 and over 1. So very, very steep like this. I'm just drawing it pretty quickly. And then we have equal to and less than. So you're talking about this kind of a line with this kind of trajectory. Very steep like this. And less than, so down in this direction. And then for this other one, what you have is, you have 3x plus y is greater than negative 5. So if we subtract 3x, we get y is not equal to but greater than negative 3x minus 5. So we go to minus 5 here, and it's going to be down 3 over 1. So again, very steep. In fact, what it's going to be the same line here, which I'm just tracing over, and shifted down like this. And it's also greater than, so it's going to be, I'm going to go like this with my eraser and just make this a dashed line with my eraser like this, right? There's a dashed line. and we are shaded greater than, so shaded above. So we're talking about this area in here, between these two lines. And so that's going to give us our two coordinate pairs. We have 0, 0 is one of them. And also maybe 0, -2 would be another one. And again, there's an infinite array of possibilities for those. But that's number 8 worked out. Okay, so this is, so I want you to do number 9, and I'll call on somebody for number 9 in 3 minutes. Help each other, talk to each other. While you do that, I'm going to hand back some of the work that I got from you last week. How are you doing? What did you do with your paper?
Dawson is sick, and my wife has illness.
Who's sick?
Dawson is.
Oh. Huh. Okay. That happens. Depending on others. Hold your stuff. That. Is that Larry, the cable guy? Get her done. Get her done. That guy's pretty funny.
He's hilarious. Favorite character. Shut up, Shane.
No, he's only Shane when he's gone. Okay, when he's here, he's Seth.
Still Shane. No, he might be slowing today.
I didn't know, they were talking about it in detail. I was like, oh, she went. Have someone else like it. And I was like, would you see her prom? And she was like, a signature. I was like, I'm just, and I did my signature. And she went. And I told her, yeah, I was like,
Okay, this one here, we have TV. Number 9, TV.
Can I go to the board and write it?
Yeah, that'd be great. I just adjusted it, and I don't know. It hasn't been holding the adjustment very well, but there it goes. A little off.
Okay, yeah, you work a little bit. That looks over.
That one is off. So you got the y-intercepts marked right, see that?
You look, you.
Okay, does that look about right?
Yes.
That looks good.
Yep.
Okay, is that right? So it says less than. So you drew this first one here, it's less than. So less than is in what
Is
direction?
it supposed to be shaded on the bottom?
Yeah.
Down here, right? And greater than is here.
And not shaved in the middle.
So did he shade it right?
No.
No, he didn't.
Shaved on the
Okay.
outside.
Oh.
Now, where he went wrong, I'll just try to stick up for him a little bit. Because what happens is, if you look at numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, they were all shaded like this, right? And all of a sudden, it's not that. So what I'm gonna do is,
Did off for a few days.
and also off for a few days, that's another factor in this whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is this. But he got the essence of the lines pretty good, didn't he?
Yeah.
So he has that. So the area is going to be right in here. So what solutions do we have here?
There's no solution.
No solutions, yeah. So in Spanish, I like to say this in Spanish, no hay solución. And there's some accent in there somehow, but anyway, that's our answer. No hay solución, no solution. Nevertheless, I do want to thank TV for coming up here and working that out. I still appreciate that a lot. Number 10, you're doing number 10, right? We'll get number 10. Now this one you're going to have them to solve for y, right? So 10 ratchets up the complexity a bit. one we have is Nate. You have it done? Senior one, I remember. Oh, okay, yeah. I see what you did. I don't see I didn't see you solve for these things up here though. Did you solve for them? Well, looks like you he hasn't drawn it in right. But this one here, this first one, we got 3x minus 5y is not equal to but greater than 6. So what's the first thing here? What's the first thing here? Subtract 3x. So we've done that, so we got negative 5y is not equal to but greater than negative 3x plus 6. Then what? Divide by negative 5. And what do I have to do so I don't mess up my job interview?
Flip this on.
Yeah, 1 is less than. So you get 3/5 x minus 1.2. So here we have, and here's what we get. So we get minus 1.2 about right here, so 3/5 up 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 5, something like this. So it'll look like, and less than, like this. And then the other one should be easier to do. And then we divide by 5 here. Divide that 10 by 5. So we get y is not equal to but greater than 3/5 x plus 2. So right here, up 3 over 5, so be like this. Up this way. I kind of messed that up. So how many solutions we have here? None. No solution. Okay, number 11, we have 3 inequalities here. So once you do that one, we're calling somebody for that one in 4 minutes. Do you need 4 minutes for this one?
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5? Okay, we'll see. I'll be open-minded. I want you to help each other with it. So you can have 3 lines on this one here for number 11. Then you got the third one. Okay. Work on this. Okay, these first two, should be very easy to draw. This last one, you have x plus y, subtract x, so you have y is not equal to, but less than negative x plus 6. So that's the third one. Okay, for this one we have Preston. And when you got your solution area, those who finished working it out, did you get a little itty bitty triangle for a solution set?
Yeah.
You should have, yeah. All right, you got it? All right. Okay, good, thanks. Thank you, here. So you've got here, we got our little left, so did you get the lines pretty good?
Yep.
It was pretty good to me, right? So you just have this little solution set area here, right? Solution set right in there. So what are a couple points in that area there?
It'd be like 5, 0, and 5,
Yeah, 5, 0,
or is it 6?
well, 6 would be out of the deal. 5 would be problematic. So inside there, maybe like 4. 5, 0 might be close, but definitely, I know 4, 0 would be good. And also like 4, -2 or 4, -1. Yeah, 4, -2 would work too, right? So be right on the line here. That'd be part of the set, right? Yeah. Okay. That's not too bad, is it? Okay, I want you to do number 12. I'll call somebody for number 12. And a minute. This one here, this bottom one, we're going to get y is equal to and greater than x minus 4. So that's going to be this one here. And then this one here, got to subtract 2x. So we get 3y is not equal to but less than -2x plus 18. And we divide by 3. So we get y is not equal to but less than -2/3 x plus 6. So that's what we have here. We have this one here. We have this one here. And we have this one here. Graph all those, right? Did I have to switch any signs there at all? No, didn't divide by a negative number. Okay, this one here, we have geo. So it's top one here. You got 2x plus 1. 1, right? Up 2 over 1. Less than. So it's gonna be like this, right? And then this one here. This one here. You got negative 2/3 x plus 6. So you have plus 6. Negative 2 over 3. Less than. Less than here, right? And the last one we got is this one here. Y minus this one right here. Negative 4 plus x. Negative 4 plus x. And that's going to be this thing right here. It's going to be like this. And it's going to be greater than, which way? In here. So what's our solution set? This little thing here, right? This little triangular strip. What's our solution sets in there?
0, negative 2,
0, negative 2.
and 1, 0.
Looks like 1, 0 would be good too, right? Okay. So that should about get it, right?
Yup.
So we can turn this one in and get started on the other one tomorrow, okay? Yeah, we should have time to pick it up. So if you go ahead and do that.